What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 1 Origin, or aka the Spider-Man. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I post a ton of content on Nike and Nike Lab. Let's get into it. So I ended up purchasing these in a bundle package from a local guy and ended up getting these for around $310, which is a super steal. They come in the typical Jordan 1 box. As you guys open it, you're able to see, here they are. They're in pretty good condition. There is some wear. These were used. Like I said, I got these for $310. They come with a set of red laces as well, which she actually had in them. Personally did not like the red laces. Here's the other one. So these are in pretty good condition. There is a couple flaws, but nothing too crazy. So like I said, they did come with a set of red laces, and the red laces have blue tips on the end, and the black laces have red on the end, which is super cool. I just personally think the black looks a little better. Also, as you guys look, there is blue right here on the tongue, which is super cool. And you guys can kind of see that it has a different pattern. It has like the little dots right here, which is super dope. They're all over. You guys can quick look soon. You can see it definitely better on like the back heel. These are obviously based off of the Chicago colorway, which I know a lot of people aren't a big fan of when Nike does something kind of different with them, like an OG or iconic colorway. But I think these look super dope, and I like that they kind of have the Spider-Man theme on them. I think it makes it look really good, and I like the different design they did on the swoosh. I think that looks super good. Now these are a little bit older of a release. They released in 2018 at $160, but I still think it's super good and something that's really dope to add to your collection. I will drop the product link for you guys below. Just kind of showing you guys quick details of my pickup. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys go the red or the black laces? Personally, like I said, I'm feeling the black laces. Also here are the bottoms. They're more of an icy blue. These definitely could get cleaned up a little bit. I could have them iced out, but honestly, I don't really care. I'm not a huge fan of having like the clear bottoms. They're super annoying, but it's not a big deal. The midsole and everything still is fine. So, like I said, not terrible, but I just think that they don't age good with the clear midsoles. Nothing, the material isn't super crazy on me. There's nothing that really stands out to me, but I definitely like the print. I think that it's super good with the dots. I like I said, the different swoosh. I like the blue hint. It's super good. And of course, I like that it's like a Chicago color. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys get the black or red laces? $310, is that a bad cop? Just kind of let me know what you guys think of the overall shoe. I'm trying to get you guys a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech, and I'm also trying to get you guys buy some of the shoe reviews. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys stick around at the end for the try on. I'm out.